Hey creators, welcome back to IdeaPlex, where we dive into the most mind-blowing ideas in tech and creativity. Today, we're exploring a tool that gives you the power of a Hollywood studio in your browser. This is Higgsfield AI, and it's about to change how we create videos forever. Imagine creating a cinematic video with nothing more than a single image and your imagination. What if I told you that you could add dynamic FPV drone shots, dolly zooms, or crash pans, all with a few clicks? From crash zooms to sweeping drone shots, this isn't just another AI gimmick. Meet Higgsfield AI, the game changer for creators, marketers, and even indie filmmakers. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see why this might be the most powerful AI video tool yet. Filmmaking used to need expensive cameras, crews, and months of post-production. Now, you drag, drop, and hit render. Higgsfield AI is the newest player in AI video, and it's blowing minds by letting creators animate still images with realistic, pro-level camera movements. Think AI meets filmmaking meets your imagination. So what exactly is Higgsfield AI? Founded by Alex Mashrabov, the ex-Snapchat AI lead, this platform is built for one thing: giving you director-level control over AI videos. Unlike generic tools, Higgsfield understands cinematic language. Think dolly zooms, handheld chaos, or golden hour lighting, all from a text prompt. And it's already being used by music video directors, social media storytellers, and even ad agencies. It's powered by a model called Dopey I2V01, which specializes in realistic human motion. Something most AI videos still struggle with. No more glitchy, melting faces. And it's already being used by music video directors, social media storytellers, and even ad agencies. Higgsfield offers 45 plus motion presets, far beyond basic pans or fades. It's all pre-built. No keyframes, no timeline scrubbing. It's like having your own AI cinematographer. And what's crazy? The camera motion looks real. Parallax, depth, momentum. It mimics how a real camera would behave. Perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or ads. Their app Diffuse even lets you insert your face into AI scenes. Ideal for influencers or small businesses. No more zombie-like movements. We're logging into Higgsfield AI. First things first, let's get inside. Check this out. Dark mode? Obviously. But notice these auto-playing preview clips? Higgsfield's already teasing what we can create. No boring login screens here. Use Google, one click, and boom, you're in. Look at these presets. Want VHS grain, anamorphic widescreen, or hyper-realistic? It's like choosing your film stock. Alright folks, now let's actually peek under the hood of Higgsfield AI and see how the magic happens. This is the main create dashboard of Higgsfield, and it's clean, sleek, and super beginner friendly. Let's break it down. So on the left-hand side, you've got the text to image tab. This is where the journey begins. You just type your prompt here. Higgsfield's world model tech keeps characters natural, walking, dancing, even emoting realistically. Additionally, Higgsfield has introduced Real Magic, a feature that simulates a full film studio experience, enabling users to craft complex scenes with ease. Higgsfield has also partnered with companies like AMD and TensorWave to enhance its capabilities, aiming to bring Hollywood-level video production to a broader audience. Here are the top features. Real Magic, Higgsfield Studio in a box. Drop in characters, pick your scene, and build a narrative. One-click motion presets. In this case, I've written a cyberpunk city skyline at night. Simple, right? And you'll see this little toggle called Enhance On. Keep that switched on for sharper, more detailed results. Right below that, we've got aspect ratios. You can choose from portrait, square, or widescreen, but for YouTube thumbnails or cinematic shots, the sweet spot is 16:9, which we've selected here. This gives you that filmic look, perfect for storytelling or social content. And once you're happy with your prompt and settings, just hit this big yellow Generate button, and boom, Higgsfield gets to work. It uses its AI engine to create rich, cinematic visuals in just seconds. Now check out the center and right side. These are the image results. Each one is a unique interpretation of the same prompt. Motion presets, from FPV chases to slow dolly pulls. Prompt to video, start with just a sentence. Social first export, auto framing for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more. It's fast, smooth, and honestly, kinda addictive. Alright, now here's where things go from cool to mind-blowing. This isn't just generating images anymore. This is actual video being created from a single frame. So I've clicked on the image to video tab here, and this is where Higgsfield turns your stills into full-on cinematic motion. Whether you upload your own photo or generate one in-app, this feature brings it to life. You can upload a still image, maybe a photo of a model, a landscape, or even an AI-generated scene, like our cyberpunk city. Once the image is in place, Higgsfield uses motion prompts and camera dynamics to animate it, giving you a smooth, directed video clip. Higgsfield isn't just moving pixels. It simulates actual cinematic camera moves. You can ask for a wide-angle dolly shot, an aerial orbit, even dramatic lighting shifts. It understands intent, and that's where the real power is. You can even add a text prompt to enhance motion style or vibe. Once generated, you can preview the video, tweak it, and then download in high resolution, ready to post on YouTube, Reels, TikTok, wherever. In short, it takes hours of filming and reduces it to minutes of creativity. So between image generation and video creation, Higgsfield is like having your own AI-powered film studio. And if you're just someone who loves storytelling, even with zero video experience, this tool is built for you. Behind the scenes, Higgsfield is powered by deep generative models. It simulates 3D camera depth. So is Higgsfield AI worth trying? Absolutely. Especially if you're a solo creator or small team looking to level up your visuals without breaking the bank. It's a massive leap toward democratizing filmmaking. Want to try it? Sign up at Higgsfield.ai. I have left a link in the description, and let me know in the comments. Would you use this for your next project? Subscribe for more creator tools, tech, and future ideas. This is IdeaPlex. See you in the next one.